Are you ready to see the best and brightest technologies that are changing the way people communicate and entertain themselves? Hi, I am John and brought to you exclusively by PCX Exchange, your leader in small electronics and phone accessory needs. Here are the PCX Exchange Apple EarPods with 1 meter USB cable and wall adapter mega combo. The Apple EarPods offer deeper, richer bass, with rugged protection from sweat and water, and the ability to use voice commands to answer non-calls as well as alter video and music playback, all without unlocking and accessing your mobile device. The cable sports reversible, durable, and long-lasting design that empowers you to sync files and charge your devices simultaneously using USB. A convenient workaround for new MacBooks that are not compatible with 3.5mm jacks. The high-powered USB adapter works with all iPhone models and uses USB to connect conveniently for travel or with a dock or lightning connector. With this much versatility at your fingertips, you will be ready to communicate with the world and take advantage of entertainment on a higher level than ever before. Purchase your PCX Exchange Apple EarPods with 1 meter USB cable and wall adapter mega combo today.